sometimes they do certain mitzvot and they're not full with it. They give a little bit of tzedakah and they say, listen, I'm giving this maaser, but business is tough. I think I'm going to slow down on this. Oh, that means that the whole time it wasn't really maaser. It was a loan. Why? You are lending money to the Kiruv organization, to the rabbi, to some Torah, in return that you thought that Hashem is going to give you money back. That's why you did it. You did it for the schar. You did it for the reward. You're going to give 10% so you can get a lot more money back because it says you're going to get a lot of money back. But it doesn't say when. You are doing it because you thought that the when is now. Since it's not now, this is not now. The maaser is not now. That is not a mitzvah. That's a mistake. You're treating Hashem like a business person. He's not a person. And he doesn't do business like this. You want to do a mitzvah? Do it 100%. Don't give tzedakah and tell the rabbi, listen, do me a favor, rabbi. Put my name on the door. I donated 10,000 last month. My name should be at least at the door. But if you want the other 90,000, I want the name on the forehead. Your forehead. Every lecture they see. Steve Smith on your forehead. Advertising. SteveSmith.com. I remember in the old days we saw boxing. Wasted our time because we didn't have Torah. And there was new boxers. They came up with a new gig of how to make money because the organization didn't pay them much money to fight because there were nobody. So what did these boxers do? They drew different companies. They got different companies to pay the money to draw the name of the company on their body. And they had, they draw with paint on their body. This company is advertising, meaning the guy is fighting, but he's advertising for some pet company or some car company. Sometimes this is what people think that Hashem is. They think he's a marketing company that wants he wants you to put your name on his forehead. No. A mitzvah is something you do that's between you and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. If you're going to advertise the mitzvah without, in essence, trying to entice other people to do the same thing, all you're doing is losing the schut of the mitzvah. The only time you're allowed to publicize a mitzvah that you did is if you're trying to encourage other people to follow. Meaning, if you give a donation, you're saying, guys, listen, I just donated $1,000 to get Am Yisrael to do tshuva. You do it too. I did it for 1,000. You do it for something also. Everybody could do something. Like some of the tzaddikim on Facebook do. Every shiur, same handful of people say, listen, donate, please donate. The rabbi needs it, not for himself, but for Kiruv. That's a mitzvah. Why? They donate, but how much schar are they going to get for $20, $50, $100, $200 in donation? How much schar are they going to get? They're going to get some schar. But they're going to get a lot more schar if one person listens to them and says, you said donate? You know what, I'm going to donate. But did you donate? Oh, you donated too. You donate 200? Okay, I'll donate 20. You donate 200? I'll donate 200. A person that makes another person fulfill a mitzvah is even bigger. He gets a bigger schar for that than his own mitzvah. So, if we're going to do mitzvot, at least let's try doing them right. Do it 100%. Learn for the sake of learning. Do for the sake of doing. Be modest for the sake of modesty. And you'll see the reward anyway, promise you. But you'll start seeing the reward much faster that way. Why? Because just having that level of bitachon alone is a reward.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new Bezrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app, full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Kol tu b'chava tzlacha.